Sanibonani football lovers. Welcome to PK Sports. Igama lami Nkosi. Ngithembe ukuthi ni kahle, niyaphila. Danko, let's do a lineup prediction of Kaizer Chiefs versus Magesi FC. We know we are going to play against a team that is fighting for relegation. A team esekugcineni with only 2 wins in their games that they have played so far and 8 draws. So it simply means that they are finding it difficult to win games. And the Kaizer Chiefs must capitalize on that. But do you know how stubborn teams are, especially in this second round of the league? Because I believe Kaizer Chiefs haven't played with Magesi this season. So both their games are in the second round. So Kaizer Chiefs must capitalize on this because they'll have huge boost. We are Mteto and Aiden McCarthy from suspension. So it simply means that it will give the co-coaches an extra player to decide on Guti. Will they use them or not? Because you know Guti as a natural DM Mteto, obvious. There's no one that comes close to him in protecting that back four for Kaizer Chiefs. And Aiden McCarthy as a utility player can play as a left center back and play as a left back. So it will be the choices of the co-coaches to which place is it going to be suitable to place him in this game. But now let's start from the back. Before Sia will line up. Kaizer Chiefs need to win this game because winning this game simply means that it takes them to the third position. They will have 36 points. 2 points above is Kukuno United that is sitting on position 3 with 34 points after 21 games. So these games in hand, Kaizer Chiefs must capitalize on them because they will keep on accumulating these points. They keep on making sure good they rise laphana ku log table. So sithatha kancane singayijahi. Siyobona sesibona nathi ukuthi sibeka, but let's take each game as it comes. But for now asibheke ukuthi ku number 1 position, I saw a video of Uzitho Kwinika with the JBL speaker dancing to Maskandi song called Ukhethe Mina by Ntencane. Bese kwadlula uBrandon Peterson laphana ejive. So I don't know because they said ukuthi uzobuya ngabo April, maybe recover fast, but singamfaki ku risk ukuthi simjaha. So ku number 1 obvious it's Bruce Vuma. Bruce Vuma, he will be eyeing his second consecutive clean sheet after nje conceded 4 goals in 2 games. So this will be his second. If it happens, it defense is very solid. So he'll try by all means now to save Kaizer Chiefs since he's the second goalkeeper now. After Glimale or Brennan Peterson. So I believe we took Zokala Bruce Vuma, not unless the coaches will have a change of heart whereby they can start Faircrane Tuare, because you also see Utakalan Mazwambe is a constant feature for Kaizer Chiefs. Besago left back position, as I've said, which is going to give Amako coaches something to think about, because now we have Marco, we have Okros Ubuyila go left back, we have Aaron McCarthy Ubuyako suspension, and McCarthy can play left back and play left center back, same with Okros. It's only Marco that can play left back, but he was tried and tested. Kwaba noguti khona la axeka khona, but I believe ukuthi uFrozler will be used as a left back. So far since abuyile uyabonisa ukuthi he has quality, especially in that game where we played versus Durban City. He made some crucial interceptions and there was that one opportunity for Durban City la khona bathi bamthatha ngama-run, but he stood his ground and made sure ukuthi he doesn't commit before his opponent commits up until alwine ball. So I believe ukuthi kungaqaliswa yena. Ku left center back is going to be Aiden McCarthy. Ku left center back. Not unless there's something else ngenzeka ngaba ne-injury, but I believe it is going to start this game as an original, because as a left center back it is difficult ukuthi uyidlale if you are right-footed. We see from other teams that don't have original left-footed players who left center back. So it is better mawenza njalo because you understand ukuthi the way you read the game and your movements are easier to do if you are an original left foot. But if you are not, kuba nzima nyana, because even nakuma-clearance sometimes mele uthathe ibhola ulilethe ka-left already isikhathi sesihambile, unike opponent and a chance ukuthi aliqhubeke akupress, because lama seconds or le second oluthatha ukuletha ibhola ka-right uzoclear counts. But if you are on original left footer, kusho kona ukuthi you have it easier. Ku-right center back is going to be Hosea Mina Zitakunika, since naye waqedile amacala wakhe. He's gonna start laphana ku-right center back, kube uyeke umuntu osilamulelayo, so that we don't concede. Arguably our best defender this season, but naye he did have a rough patch kulama games aqeda ukudlula, but hopefully ukuthi uzokwazi ukubuya from that. Ku-right back Dylan Solomons akafuni next lapha, even though Monyane is trying to challenge no Frosler naye he will be back to the starting 11 soon, but Solomons is standing resolute lapho ukuthi angeyindawo ngila, because his performance against Durban City was decent. There was that clearance that he made la sekuvalwe khona amehlo, we thought ukuthi Durban City equalized, but he said no, hayi ngila. So it simply means ukuthi they're gonna start with him laphana so that he can run that flank, especially if they're gonna pair him with someone that understands him, which he likes to roam around that right hand flank, because Ulilepo doesn't understand. Ulilepo haki touchline, so it limits him ukuthi overlap, because we can't be suffocating the only space that I need to use as a wing back. So Ulilepo mela funda ukukhatha akutaka ina invert. And then let's go to CDM. Since umthetho abuyile, uMaboyi won't be used as a central defensive midfielder. Umthetho will take his place lapana ku-CDM, asigadele imali yethu lapana, enze sure ukuthi our back four is not exposed and is not vulnerable, because yena he understands his role. Even though there are other aspects that people demand from him, he can't give them, but the primary duty offers for the club ukuthi singaconsider ama-goals. And then making sure ukuthi at least he knows ukuthi la kuzoba ne-danger ayekhona. Bese ke ku number 8. Number 8 is between uNdlovu, uCele, uMaboyi. Not unless Umaboyi will be used as an attacking midfield, and uNgcobo. So it will depend ukuthi what kind of an opponent are we playing, what kind of a number 8 that we need. Do we need a box to box like uNdlovu? Because if there's Ox, Undlovu, there's no need for him ukuthi aloku abuye azoncedisa ukumaka. So we'll need someone that can control the game and make sure also ukuthi wenzani, he gives us the stability, and make sure ukuthi also offensive he offers Kaizer Chiefs something. That can be Umaboyi, can be used as a number 8, adlale that position, because unawo ama-passes are good and also he can control the game for a Kaizer Chiefs, including Undlovu or uNgcobo. But I believe uMatlo will start as a number 8. Ku-attacking midfielder, yeah, ula kushuba khona, because they used Umdu last match, and we don't know what is happening when the Chislet, I think ube ne discomfort nyana, so makabuyile they will start him as an attacking midfielder. Bese ku right winger, I think in this game bazoqala ngomfundo Vilakazi, so that Chiefs izokwazi ukuthi at least ba create more opportunities, ukuthi at least if there's an opportunity for Lilepo ukuthi angangena second half afike aqhubeke la kugcinwe khona, because you know you can rely on him as a winger and also as a striker. So we will need that, because if we keep a striker Kaizer Chiefs, especially City, they are finding it difficult ukuthi babe nama options of scoring, because uDuba aerial is not good, Dupree's aerial is not good. I don't know Udumayo, because he has been sidelined in these recent games that we have played. And then go left winger is going to be Velepai. Velepai is one winger that understands that I am a winger. My primary duty is to take on players cross the ball. So the strikers are the ones that need to be alert on what to do when they receive that ball from Velepai. But also now, as he did say, he has to focus on his own personal goals. Good, now instead of, if ever I see creating chances for my teammates, I says let me try and get goals for myself, because I know him from Cape Town Spurs. He doesn't score much, uzoba nalawo ma-assist ayi-3 and those 3 goals. But he has to do more, because now in football, everything that you do as a forward is measured by assist or goals. If you don't do that, you are deemed to be useless, because you might be creating, but our strikers, you know them, they are wasteful. Ku striking department, we're gonna start with Flavio Silva, the Kosi Flavor. I believe ukuthi i-positioning yakhe is very good, but into embulalayo ukuthi he likes to drop deep to try to involve himself in a game. Maqeda igcina imcosta his recovery time to go back to the box, so that if they put in the balls in the box, akwazi ukuthi awathole. And one thing our wingers and then attacking midfielder must understand, play the ball in front of Silva or in the air, he's deadly there. Leyo ukuthi uzofuna ukudlala i-1-2 na, it doesn't help, because if touch iyamshaya vele. It is something emele sibe honest ngayo ukuthi that's how they have to, because yes, not every striker can play a false 9 and also be a box striker at the same time. It demands a lot, but now i-pressure iba iningi, you want to score and also you want to help the club ukuthi bakwazi ukconnecta before they score, so it becomes difficult for Silva ukuthi akwazi ukubalansisa lezo zinto. Better use his strengths to his best in order for him to deliver for Kaizer Chiefs.